Hello everyone, hope you're doing well. In today's video, we can see how we can hide the SSID or a Wi-Fi name. Hiding of SSID is one of the extra layer of security. The benefit of hiding SSID is that only those people can connect with the internet from your router who knows both SSID and password of your router. Let's go to the login screen of the Wi-Fi. First, we need to go to the internet browser. Here we need to type the router's IP. This is the login page for the router. Here we need to type the username and password. Click login. After logging into the page, on the left hand side we can see wireless and then basic settings. Here you can see enable SSID broadcast. Just uncheck it and click save. This is a simple way how we can hide the SSID from the router. Thank you very much for watching the video.